What if the chaos around you no longer had the power to shake you? Imagine walking through life's storms with the calm of a still lake. The world demands more from you every day, but few ever teach you how to master yourself first. What if the answers have been waiting for centuries? You've tried motivation. You've tried hustle. But have you tried silence, self-discipline, and wisdom passed down from emperors and warriors? Welcome to Stoic Blend, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we'll explore 11 Stoic strategies that can help you level up your life mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. 1. Prioritize yourself without guilt. Life is a whirlwind. Deadlines, demands, relationships. But if you're always at the bottom of your own list, you'll eventually have nothing left to give. You've heard it before. You can't pour from an empty cup. But Stoicism makes it more than just a cliche, turns it into a call to action. Take 5 minutes in the morning, just 5, to breathe, to reflect, to set your intention. Write something down, meditate, stretch. This simple act isn't selfish, it's foundational. When you prioritize yourself, you recharge the battery that powers every part of your life. Start with affirmations. They may feel silly at first. I am worthy. I overcome all challenges. But repetition rewires belief. Over time, those words become your armor. And don't overlook boundaries. Not everyone is entitled to your time, your energy, or your presence. The moment you begin to say no to what drains you, you say yes to everything that fuels you. 2. Enhance your outer self to reflect the inner. Some might scoff at appearance. Isn't it superficial? But Stoicism teaches mastery of what you can control. And how you present yourself? That's one of the easiest places to begin. When you feel good about how you look, your confidence rises. You speak more clearly. You hold yourself upright. You make better choices because you feel worthy of better outcomes. And this has nothing to do with trends or designer brands. It's about alignment. Are you dressing like the person you're becoming or the one you're trying to leave behind? Groom yourself. Stand tall. Keep your space and your wardrobeity. These aren't acts of vanity. They're acts of self-respect. 3. Smile even when you don't feel like it. A smile. That's your secret weapon. Not a mask, but a decision. A moment of resistance against negativity. When you smile, yes, even when you don't feel like it, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin. You're not pretending. You're choosing. It's Stoicism in action. Mastering your response to what you cannot control. And here's the unexpected magic. Your smile affects others. Smile at someone on the street or during a tense moment and watch how their energy shifts. It's not weakness. It's influence. So smile. In the mirror, on the phone, at the world. Smile like a man who refuses to let bitterness win. 4. Stay kind, but set boundaries. Some people will test your peace. They'll push, manipulate, drain. But here's the Stoic response. Don't let them change your character. Kindness does not mean access. Being compassionate doesn't require being available 24/7. You can be kind and still say no. You can love someone and still decide they don't get to poison your peace. Set your lines. Keep them clear. You don't owe everyone an explanation. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. And part of that power is choosing who you let in. 5. Cultivate calm in chaos. When life is loud, slow down. In moments of stress, the Stoic doesn't react. He breathes. He observes. He acts only when necessary. Practice the box breath technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Just one cycle can anchor your mind in the present. And if you're overwhelmed, ask yourself, will this still matter in 5 years? If not, why let it destroy your day now? Your calm is your power, and it's contagious. 6. Set your own course, not society's. Everywhere you turn, someone's trying to decide who you should be. Ads, opinions, pressure from family or peers. But the Stoic knows only you can walk your path. Get clear on your values. Not goals, not ambitions, values. What do you stand for? Is it truth, discipline, family, freedom? Once you find your compass, every decision becomes easier. You no longer drift, you navigate. And when life throws you off, your values pull you back on track. That's the power of a well-set course. 7. Make your stand quietly and consistently. You don't need to shout to stand strong. Living your truth calmly, quietly, unwaveringly is more powerful than any speech. The Stoics didn't argue with fools. They didn't posture. They embodied their values through action. Know your non-negotiables, then build your habits around them. Even if no one claps, even if you stand alone, because at the end of the day, your soul knows when you've betrayed it and when you've honored it. 8. Nurture your wit and humor. Yes, Stoics smile. Yes, they laugh. Seneca once said, "He who laughs at himself never runs out of things to laugh at." Humor is not weakness. It's wisdom. It's perspective. When you can laugh at a bad day, a missed train, or your own clumsiness, you've already won. Humor makes you flexible. It helps you connect. And when life gets heavy, and it will, your lightness will carry you farther than your seriousness ever could. 9. Respect others deeply, especially when you disagree. Respect isn't about obedience. It's about understanding. In a world addicted to shouting, be the one who listens. You don't have to agree to be kind. You don't have to surrender your values to hear someone else's. When you treat others with dignity, you elevate the conversation. You lead by example. Be on time. Say thank you. Give credit. Apologize when needed. These aren't small things, they're the foundation of influence. 10. Set clear parameters and stick to them. Boundaries are not barriers. They're guidelines for respect. If you're constantly saying yes when you mean no, you'll burn out and silently resent those you're trying to please. Decide what's okay and what's not. Tell people, calmly, then hold the line. Stoicism teaches that peace doesn't come from avoiding conflict. It comes from living in alignment with your values. Consistency is key. Every time you uphold a boundary, you're teaching the world how to treat you. 11. Cut out negative energy. Relentlessly. Toxic people, destructive thoughts, cluttered spaces, self-sabotaging habits. All of them drain you. The Stoics were ruthless about energy. They kept only what served their purpose. Take inventory. Who makes you feel small? What habits leave you feeling weaker, not stronger? Let it go. Limit exposure. Declutter your space. Speak kindly to yourself. Remove the noise, so the signal the truth can come through. Final words. Your life is shaped not just by what you pursue, but by what you allow. The Stoics didn't aim for comfort. They aimed for clarity, discipline, and strength. You don't need more hacks. You need principles. These 11 Stoic strategies aren't just tips, they're tools. Use them. Live them. Return to them when the world shakes your foundation. And if this resonated with you, don't stop here. Watch the next video. Continue your journey. Stoicism isn't a one-time lesson, it's a way of life. Stay grounded, stay strong, and keep walking the Stoic path.